Lovely, lovely day. Absolutely glorious weather here as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance. Great consequence in this part of the world. They've been talking about this one for a while and they have rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. You should have seen the roads outside the ground in the hour or two leading up to it. It has been bumper to bumper. The traffic has been extraordinary. But the level of expectation is also very, very high. And these supporters who were queuing round the block for their tickets as soon as we knew the date of the fixture, well, now they can't wait for it to begin. And begin it will any second now. This one of the great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the grandest fixtures. The action has already started. Diop sends it forward. Noble tries to dink it in, and he's there to cut it out. Darlington are the form side of the moment. 5 wins on the bounce. This could spell danger. It's a loose ball. Oh, that's a foul. Free kick's been given.
Well, if he truly fancies his chances from here, he's going to need the best of the best.
Decent hit from there. Just brushed off the ball there. Plays it out to the flank. He gets past his man. Samu Castillejo. Too much on it, and that's the keeper's. Noble. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. And he has been fouled there. Can't get the better of his opposite number. West Ham were impressive in their last outing and brilliantly orchestrated by the manager.
I think, Peter, we have to...
Goes for goal! Oh, that's a fine save!
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Heads it! Hoists it forward. Noble. And it's Antonio. Yeah, he's fouled him there. Lanzini. Antonio gets it back. Looking to break out here. Darlington have the league's best defensive record. And it's Yarmolenko. Battles to win it back. Samu Castillejo. Bowler! Oh, that is rather wayward.
Darlington know they can rely on the counter, and they've just expressed a warning.
Noble. Good challenge, he just stood firm. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Back to the keeper and try something new. The referee's had a look, and he's blown his whistle for half-time. So both sides have drawn blanks. They have toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means. the first half compared with your expectation?
Well, they've never really been threatened in the first half. I think it's been a magnificent team effort. The work rate has been superb. Very, very organised.
Interesting half, just missing goals, so don't be surprised if the second half brings a change to the scoreline at the break, 0-0. And the game has already resumed here.
Darlington can feel really happy with themselves. The scoreline doesn't back it up, but they've played with urgency and purpose and can't afford to lose patience in this second half. They've got to persevere.
That intervention was very necessary. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. And the finish! It's in! Just the pick-me-up the whole game needs! That's no fluke, it's what he was there for.
Oh, Peter, you can't teach that. You either have it or you don't. His anticipation is on another level to everyone else's. Superb.
Darlington break the deadlock.
Well, listen, a few words of advice and encouragement from the manager during the break can often straighten things out, and it's paid off here.
Darlington are the standout defensive side of the moment. They've not conceded in their last 5. Going through. Oh, defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. That is Cresswell. He is not one readily to admit defeat. Don't be surprised if he tries that again. Finds him. Renato Sanchez with the challenge, and he has given away a free kick. Lanzini. Lanzini! Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
Well, he doesn't need a second invitation, even from that range.
And it's played forward.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Defenders on the back foot. Now it's Lanzini. He's got options out wide. Lanzini. Has a hit! So close to drawing level.
I think he rushed that. He had a bit more time than he realised. He could so easily have equalised there.
So, time for changes on both sides, actually. Rapidly approaching the end. West Ham look to be coming to the end of their winning streak here. And it's Antonio. Lanzini.
Look, with time running out, they have to get the ball in the penalty box, and if it means a long punt, then so be it. They've got to give themselves a chance.
It's come through. It's a fine challenge, and it goes his way.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
That a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Renato Sanchez drives it forward. And that's that. Darlington win it by the only goal. Result, no question, the most important thing, however it came. Final